Well, last video I made, I said I got sick, I was down for the count. I healed up and then immediately got that colon thing back again and had another infection going on. So I was down for the count for like 25 days. So as you can see, the beard is about a month longer. The hair is getting long. In the meantime, with what energy I had, I cleaned up the gym, turned the sauna around, and I'm really eager to get back into working out. This is really my first night, just baseline lifting. I'm not doing anything crazy, so I'll give you an update afterwards how I'm feeling. But right now, I don't really feel like recording any videos because I feel extremely weak. One good thing is I lost 10 pounds over the course of the month, and I didn't work out at all. So either I lost a good bit of muscle mass, could be a little bit, or I just cleansed my whole body. So fun stuff. Yeah, this sucks. I feel like I lost stamina and feeling very weak. I'm not doing as much as I was. It beat me up. I'm gonna jump in the sauna. I am coming back with a vengeance. I started jogging with the kids and my wife on the paths and on the paths. And I was hitting a salt bike quite frequently, and I haven't done that. With what little cardio I did at work, man, I was gassed. So I'm gonna hit it with a vengeance this week. Kind of ease my way back into it, and I'm gonna push to this 200 by the end of this. I pray by the end of the summer. I think I'm gonna let the beard go. I'm gonna let the beard go crazy. I'm gonna let the hair go crazy. No matter what, I'd hope to get to 200 by end of July, and that's a lot of weight to lose in such little time, so I don't think I can do it healthy. So slow and steady runs the race. I'll get there. It is Thursday, and for the first time in a while, I got like 9 hours of sleep in one night. Bad storms rolled through last night, and I slept right through them like a baby. I'm excited to get to work out today. It's my first day where I feel fully like energized now after all that garbage that happened. So it's glutes day. I'm pumped. All right, the aftermath. That was a lot tougher. I felt like my stabilizing muscles weren't really activating through that, but I do feel good. Feels good to get back into the glute exercises. That's all I'm doing this week. Thought I'd give an update. It'll be short.
I'm gonna make a video.
I know you do.